Hi, I'm Youli. I work full-time, but I cook every day. I find downstairs tapao food very salty or very boring. By cooking every day, I look to ensure that my family actually have home-cooked meals with less salt and healthier meals. I'm a mother to my 9-year-old son, and when he was young, he had eczema. So this actually gave me the motivation all the more to provide healthy meals for my family. My favorite part of the Thermomix is actually the cookie dough, which everything I can just measure and scale inside, follow the instruction, and then and the best part of Thermomix was there's also a community and a forum which I can always rely back on. So for community forums, I follow them on Facebook. So as and when they will post very interesting recipes which I would never have tried before, and I would actually struck my mind to use the Thermomix to try it. So during my rest period, when I scroll through my Facebook, I actually see, and then from there I get inspired with all the recipes which are more catered to our Singapore palate, and from there I'm able to actually replicate these recipes at home using the Thermomix. I would actually recommend Thermomix for people who cannot even cook at all, and young families who have young kids where they need to do a lot of blending, cooking for young picky children as well.